All right, so right in front of me, I got the 7 different stages that you're going to go through when you first start doing affiliate marketing. And you need to make sure that you understand the pros and cons before you do anything else. Reason being is because a lot of people in this day and age want to start an online business or do a specific method of making money online, but they don't fully understand the different advantages and disadvantages. And if you haven't fully understood the different pros and cons that you're going to face as you continue growing that business, you're going to end up hitting an obstacle and completely give up. So what I like to do nowadays, whenever I'm about to start a new project, is to make sure that I fully equip myself with all of the knowledge that I need so that I can do that business in the best way possible. And right in front of me right here, I've got the 3 different cons and 3 different pros that I've personally seen when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing. And one of the first cons is that you have no real control over your income. So for those of you that don't really know exactly how affiliate marketing works, I'm sure that most of you do, but for anyone that doesn't, it's where you're going to promote someone else's product or service. And whenever you're able to successfully make a sale, whenever someone clicks on your unique link, you're going to be able to make a commission. But in terms of the actual commission amount that you're going to get paid, that can change over time. Even if you find a product or software that's paying, let's say 40% commission, maybe 50% commission, maybe after a year or 2, they could drop that down to 10% commission. So there's no real control over the income that you're generating because you're not the one that decides on the actual commission rate. The next con is that you have no control over how your audience is treated. And when I say audience, I'm talking about the people that you're going to refer to the companies for you to be able to make the commission. Because you're not the one that's working in the company and dealing with the customer service yourself, you're not necessarily going to be able to know whether or not the people that you're referring to them are being treated well. But of course, that's why it's very important to make sure that you're working with companies that you trust, services or products that you've used yourself, that you can guarantee that the people that you're referring to them are not going to be treated badly. And the third and final con that I'm going to speak about in this video is that it can take time for you to build your traffic source. So depending on how you're going to send people to your affiliate links, it may take time for you to build up that traffic source, especially if you're going to use organic methods. For me, it took me around 3 or 4 months for me to make a decent amount of income from my affiliate marketing efforts. But for you, it may take a little longer, maybe it might take a little sooner, but this is definitely something that you need to consider. Moving on to some of the pros, the first one is it's a great form of passive income. The more you're able to build up your traffic sources and you're able to put content out there on the internet in various different ways, which I'm going to be explaining in a moment, you're going to be able to now build up a steady stream of passive income because once the links are out there, you don't really have to do much because you've already put the work in up front. And I know that there's no real form of passive income out there, but if we're looking at all of the different make money online methods, affiliate marketing definitely tops the passive income list. The second pro is that you don't have to deal with the fulfillment of the product. And when I say fulfillment, I'm talking about making sure that the customer actually receives it. That's not your job. That's the job of the company that you referred the customer to. In addition to not really dealing with the fulfillment, you don't have to deal with customer service, you don't have to deal with maintaining the product, updating it. None of that is your job. Your only job is to make sure that you're sending customers to reliable products. And the final pro is that there's endless amounts of products to promote. So this is definitely a big advantage when it comes to starting an affiliate marketing business, is that you're not limited to the amount of items that you can promote to your audience. Whether you want to promote 100, 200, 1,000 different products, there's no limit, there's no cap. It's all down to you in terms of the amount of work that you want to put in. So swiftly moving on to the second thing that you need to be aware of, once you've fully understood the different pros and cons, is that you need to decide on a niche. And what I mean by this is that there's different categories out there that pay a lot higher than others. Like for example, make money online, cryptocurrency, personal finance and investing, social media, tech. All of these different categories have various different products and services within them that you're going to be able to make a higher commission rate. So moving on to the third stage, which is that you need to build a platform. Now, most people tend to run away from this fact and they don't really want to put effort when it comes to building a specific platform to do affiliate marketing. But if there's one thing that I've learned over these past 6 years is that, of course, you can just, run paid ads to an affiliate link, but that's going to be a little bit short term. If you want to have long-term success, you're going to need to put effort into building out a platform. And if you're a beginner right now, you're probably thinking to yourself, Sam, what exactly do you mean by build a platform? What exactly does that mean? Well, it means that you need to build something so that you're going to be able to have the chance for people to see your affiliate links in the first place. And the 3 options out there for most people is to start a YouTube channel, start a website, or start some sort of social media. But the 2 that I recommend is to start a website or start a YouTube channel. Reason being is because if you're able to use SEO, which is search engine optimization, and target specific keywords, because Google and YouTube are search engines, you're going to be able to give yourself an increased chance of being able to have exposure to your affiliate links. And if you're someone that doesn't really want to sit down in front of a camera like what I'm doing right now and show your face, then starting a website will be your best bet. Like for example, I've got this website right here that I've been running for a couple months now, which is successwithbusiness.com. And just to show you exactly how a website works, if I click on blog over here, what I'm doing is posting articles about a specific topic on a regular basis. Like for example, the top dropshipping suppliers in 2023, how to start dropshipping using Google Shopping ads, how to start affiliate marketing. I'm consistently releasing articles about these different topics, and because of that, people are going to find my website when they go onto Google, and then from there there's a chance that they may or may not see all of the different affiliate links that I have on this website. So again, if you didn't want to go down the route of starting a YouTube channel because you don't believe that you're good at making videos but you might be good at writing, then starting a website is going to be your best bet. And if you did want to start a website, then I'd recommend that you use Bluehost when it comes to getting hosting for your WordPress blog website, because once you use that link in my description down below, first and foremost, you're going to be able to save 70%, but secondly, it's going to be very easy when it comes to building a website from scratch. Bluehost is what I personally use with all of my different affiliate marketing websites, and it helps me get everything up and running within a couple days. But if you want to see me make a full step-by-step video where I show you everything you need to know about building your website if you're a complete beginner, then put in the comments down below, do the website video, and I'll make that video ASAP. So moving on to the fourth step, after you've built your platform, which is that you need to find affiliate offers to promote. So one of the first things that I always recommend beginners to do once they're ready to get their affiliate links is to sign up to an affiliate marketing network. Some of the main affiliate marketing networks out there is things like impact.com, maybe PartnerStack. Amazon Associates is another popular one if you wanted to go down the route of promoting physical products. So depending on what category or niche your affiliate marketing business is centered around, it's all going to be dependent on which affiliate marketing network you're going to sign up to. Step 5 after that is that you need to provide as much free valuable content as possible. Another thing that I've personally learned when it comes to being able to make daily commissions with affiliate marketing is that the more you're able to put free content out there that genuinely helps as many people as possible, the chances of you being able to make money with affiliate marketing is increased. And I'm not saying that this should be the only reason why you put free valuable content that helps people out there just for you to make commissions, but all I'm saying is that the more people that you're able to help, there's a clear correlation with the amount of commissions that you're going to make. Like for example, if we jump back onto my blog, I've been very consistent with making sure that I'm providing people with accurate information from my own personal experience that's definitely going to help them. And the main point that I'm trying to make with this is that you shouldn't always try and charge people for information. You should try and give people as much free information as possible, because by doing that, you're going to be able to mainly build up trust with the people that's coming across your content. And the more you're able to build up trust, the more likely those people are going to trust the products or services that you're recommending to them. So moving on to the final thing that I'm going to discuss in this video that you guys need to make sure that you're aware of as you're going through your whole affiliate marketing journey is to make sure that you build an email list. And for those of you that don't know exactly what an email list is, this is where you're going to build up an email list filled with all of the people that have come across your website, your YouTube channel, your social media. You're going to collect their emails, put them into an email list. Reason being is because you want to make sure that you've got direct communication with them at all times. This is a great way for you to continuously keep providing more free value to them, as well as making sure that you're letting them know about any products or services that's going to help them out in one way or another. And one of the email marketing softwares that I personally use is Aweber. I believe it's very easy, very simple to use, and I've not really had any issues when it comes to people being able to receive the emails that I'm sending out. Because there's other email marketing softwares out there that when you send an email out to someone, it's going to go directly into their junk mail, and I haven't really had that problem with Aweber, so that's the reason why I tend to recommend it to you guys. And there's so many different things that you can do with it. Like for example, you're going to be able to create a custom landing page so that whenever someone clicks on your landing page link, you're going to be able to give them all the necessary information as to why that person is going to get some sort of benefit if they do sign up to your email list. So if you did want to sign up for a completely free account, you could do that by clicking the link in my description down below. But of course, there's so much more that goes into making money online with affiliate marketing. I just wanted to give you guys the basic things that I wish someone told me from day one, because it would have just sped up my progress and allowed me to reach my goals a lot sooner. But if you want to sign up to a completely free email newsletter where twice a week, I'm going to personally send you out an email to help you when it comes to making money online, whether it's an email about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, selling on eBay. You're going to receive an email from myself personally to help you get pointed in the right direction on your money making journey. So if you want to sign up for that, you could do that by clicking the first link in the description down below. Or if you rather watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I broke down some other useful affiliate marketing tips that I didn't really touch on in today's video, then make sure you click the link right there. Make sure you check that video out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.